Welcome back to my channel. Thank you, Andrea from Wig Studio One, for providing me this piece to do a review on. You can check her out at wigstudio1.com. She also provides a safe place for women to support each other. This is through Facebook. It is a Facebook group. If you search it, look up Wig Studio One Wig and Topper Support Group. This review is over Raquel Welch, Nice Move. And she is super, super cute. And I'm really excited that Andrea sent this to me because it's not something I would normally try, because she has a center mono part. And I am a left parter, but you can achieve a left part and a right part with this piece. She is open wefted, and I love how they do the inside of their caps because it's so much more comfortable to a shaved head like mine. And she has the temple to temple lace front. And Raquel Welch, I never have to worry about ordering a dark color from them. I do with John Renault because of their dark knots on some of their pieces. But Raquel Welch always does so well on their lace fronts. She has the velvet ear tabs, and they have bendable stays in there. She has the extended nape and the Velcro adjusters, and I love the Velcro adjusters. From my experience, I would say that Raquel Welch caps are probably the most comfortable to me. Second would be John Renault's hand tied. But lace fronts, Raquel Welch. So pretty. Okay, let's put her on. Oh, and this, I always forget to tell y'all, this one is John Renault's L, and I had her cut to the way I wanted her styled. So that's what this piece is. It's cute as can be. And now this is my hair. And I always just leave a little bit out. Now, her fibers are heat friendly, so you can style this piece with heat. Some people love heat friendly fibers, some people not so much. I am a not so much because I can tell even just the little bit that I have tried this piece on and off. I've never worn her, but just the little bit. She's already getting a little tangly, you know, at the nape. But I could probably just use some heat on her and she'd be fine. So this is what I do. There you go. Now you have a left part. Because of that temple to temple lace. And then you could do the right side too if you prefer. This color is gorgeous. It's RL6 and it's copper mahogany. But y'all, look at that lace front with the, I mean, and this is a dark color. Super cute. Okay, let's go over her measurements. My measurements, my head is 21 inches around, and from the hairline to the tip of my chin is 8, and my neck is 4. So if that helps y'all, when I read these measurements out, you can measure yourself and kind of see where some of these curls and stuff are going to fall on you. The front is 11.5. The sides are 13.5. The crown is 13.5. The back is 12.5. And the nape, what is the nape? 10.5. You'll see it good. I really love this piece. And I wish Raquel Welch would stop doing everything in heat defiant fibers. I wish these were just regular synthetic. The style is adorable though. And for those that love heat friendly and you can curl her, this piece is just super, super, super cute. And I mean, with her length, you could style her all different. You could even style her off the face because of that temple to temple. Okay, let's go look at her in natural lighting. Here I am outside. Now, she is a 6. Let me see. She is a 6 and a 30. The 6 is the dark, kind of chocolatey brown. And then the 30 is the auburn. Sorry, my yard's a mess. There, that right here. That's the most. Right there is the most realistic. And true representation of her color. Right there. All right, guys, I hope this helped. Bye, guys. Like and subscribe.